is one of the biggest problems we are all facing today, whether it's children or adults. And of course, lengthened cough is worse. So I'm going to give you the power of 5. Yes, a perfect concoction to overcome your cough. What are we giving? Pineapple, because it has bromelain, which is an excellent component which acts as an anti-inflammatory. Then we have tulsi, ginger, and now we have red chili, because red chili has a compound which also melts away your mucus and it works brilliantly. If you don't want to use red chili, you can use pepper. I'm going to use red chili. Then all you need to do is put it in a mixer and of course mix it. Then strain it, take it in a glass, add a little bit of honey, and then this is ready to drink at least 2 to 3 times a day for the next 2 to 3 days. You should be absolutely okay actually within a day. So all the best and happy healing.